I'll guide you through how to download from GitHub. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open github.com in your web browser. Once the page loads, go to the top right corner and click on the login button. If you already have a GitHub account, enter your username and password to log in. If you do not have an account, click on the option to create a new account and follow the registration steps. After successfully logging in, navigate to the left side of the screen where your repositories or follow projects are listed. Click on the specific URL of the repository that you want to download. Once you are inside the repository page, you have two main options available. You can either download the existing files or add new files to the repository. For this tutorial, we'll focus on downloading the files. To begin the download process, locate and click the green code button near the top of the file list. A drop-down menu will appear. Look slightly below the text field that shows the repository URL. In this section, click on the option labeled Download Zip. Your browser will begin preparing the file for download, and a download pop-up or progress icon will appear in the top right of your screen.